In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. First of all, you need to open up Google Chrome, which is this colorful swirly icon right here. You do need to use Google Chrome rather than Internet Explorer or Firefox or some other application because Sites is a Google product. So once you have that open, you need to log into your NoHum Gmail account, which I have done already. Now, up here in the top in the corner, you'll see these little squares together. These are your apps. So when I click that, the one that I'm looking for is Sites. Now, all of these can be slightly different, so Sites might not be visible on your app browser. So what you need to do to find it, if it's not there, is click More and Even More, and you'll get to this page right here. And you just scroll down. Here we go, there's Sites, and you can click that, and this will open. Now, I have quite a few sites that I created or that people have given me editing rights to. So these are all of the sites that I have right now. What I'm going to do is create an example for my photography class. So right here, I'm going to click the Create button. And my internet connection is being a little bit slow, so let's wait for it. Great. Now I'm going to name my site something like Justine Smith Photography. And I want a space right there. And you'll see that when I click Create, Google is going to check and make sure that somebody doesn't already have this name taken. If someone already has taken this, then I would have to choose another name. And indeed, nobody has claimed Justine Smith Photography yet, so I got it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is create some more pages for your photo portfolio. So this is the home page. Up here at the top, I'm going to click the New Page button, and I'm going to call this one Photos. This is where I'm going to put all of my photography. You could call it something slightly different if you want to. And I'm going to use the web page template rather than any of the other options for now. And I'm going to put it at the top level and click Create. So this is what my page is going to look like, and I'm going to click Save. So I personally don't like it when there's this Add Files thing at the bottom, so to get rid of that, I'm going to click this gear up here and go to Page Settings, and I'm going to take off Allow Attachments, and I'm going to click Save. So now that Add Files is gone down at the bottom. So I'm going to click the New Page icon again, and I'm going to call this one Photoshop. That's the other projects that we do a lot in photography. Leave this on Web Page and leave this Put Page at top level. Click Create. And again, I'm going to click Save and then take off under Page Settings the Allow Attachments. I don't want random people attaching things to my web page, so I'm going to click Save and waiting for it to save. Great. And now I'm going to click one more new page, and I'm going to call this one Altered Books. Leave it on web page, leave it put at top level, and click Create. Sorry about that slow internet connection. There we go. And go under my options up here to Page Settings, take off Allow Attachments, and Save. So now you can see that on my navigation here on the side, there's nothing in it yet, but I can click Home, and that will take me to the home page. I can click Altered Books, that'll take me to the Altered Books page, and eventually I'll have my projects in here. Now I want to show you one more thing about navigation. You can have navigation on the side, but you can also have navigation across the top. And I actually kind of like the look of the tabs across the top better than the side navigation. But it's completely up to you. It's your website, and whatever you think looks good is how you should design it. So if you want to change the navigation, I'm going to click the gear again and go down here to Edit Site Layout. And you can barely see it, but when I hover the cursor over these different areas, it changes colors. So what I'm going to do is up here at the top, I'm going to enable horizontal navigation, and it put the home page up there. And I'm going to disable the sidebar. So let's see, so now that's gone away, but you'll notice that I can't have access to all of my other pages because there's no tabs that appeared for them. So I'm going to show you how to add those. I'm going to click in this section right here, and I'm going to add page, and I'm going to do photos. Okay. I'm going to add another page, Photoshop. Okay. And I'm going to add another page, Altered Books. Okay. Now I could use these arrows here to move these around. For example, if I wanted Altered Books to be between these two, I can just click the up arrow and I can move it up. So I'm going to leave it like this. I think that looks good. And I want mine to be tabs. You can play around with this and choose the one that you like the best. And I'm going to click OK. So now you can see that I have my tabs available. I'm going to go ahead and click Close. Now, instead of having sidebar navigation, I have horizontal navigation. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the colors and add content to your website. So that's it for now.